How old are you now, Tahir?
What?
How old are you now?
I don't understand English.
You know only tae.
Yeah, only that.
Tae you. Tae you.
Yeah.
You tell me.
I understand English. Why you tell me?
Tell me you, not tell me.
Why I tell you?
You say only malaki o maliit. Malaki, maliit. Say it. Say.
Sorry?
You tell me malaki.
Ah, Malakir.
And then you tell me maliit.
I don't understand.
2 words. Malaki.
Tell me Hindi. Hindi, you malum?
Okay. Ang mukha mo ay
Apne marni.
you say malaki.